Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming your device model and OS version, because steps differ across manufacturers. Plug in headphones if you want to preview quietly, then make sure your custom sound is accessible in internal storage or cloud. Open Settings, tap Sounds or Sound and Vibration, and look for lock screen or system sounds. Once you see those options, you're ready to change the lock and unlock sounds. This is the first actionable step toward replacing default tones. Next, choose a compatible audio file, MP3, WAV, or OGG, and make sure it's under the size limit. If needed, trim it to a short 1-3-second clip. This avoids lag and keeps it pleasant. Use a file manager to copy the file into ringtones or notifications so the system can see it. Then in Settings, tap the Lock Sound entry, select your file from the list, and hit Apply. Doing this ensures the system uses your chosen tone every time. Finish by locking and unlocking to verify the new sound plays. Make sure system volume and do not disturb aren't muting it. If the tone doesn't appear, reboot the device and confirm the file sits in the correct system folder with the right format and permissions. If you still see errors, clear the settings cache or temporarily reset sound defaults, then reapply. One key tip: if problems persist, convert the file to a different supported format and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.